Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking, and Canning. It's going to be a beautiful day. We're going to be checking up on the growth of the garden today. I guess now would be a good time to remind everyone to please like, share, subscribe. Whatever platform you're watching this on. Helps to drive up the viewership. Gets other people to share. Share if they just like to watch what's going on in a garden. These are raspberries. Raspberries continue to come along. So healthy. And so blessed so far not to have any pestilence like I did last year on this plant. Our compost potatoes doing just fantastic. I mean, wow. Our potted pepper plants and the tomato plant, as the peonies fall apart at the end of their flowering life cycle. Wow, hey. Future peppers. Very nice. And bleh, yeah, the life cycle. Tomato plants just doing fantastic. Don't know what I'm going to do with the tomatoes since I shouldn't be eating them. I mean, I love tomatoes. They're absolutely delicious, but they just don't love me. I don't think I'm going to get another sunflower. This pot is just not going to give me any plants this year. All our pepper plants are doing just fine. I have different types here. Chili pepper, Hungarian pepper, hot pepper. Not to eat for canning. I like the other exit in my body to remain happy, so I don't hurt it with things that are ridiculously spicy. But this sunflower is doing quite nice. All right, let's go down. All these are going to be flowering soon. I wish I had a way to film all the fireflies that dance around this back fence in the garden at night. Wow, there's still some good looking flower in that one. Let's go down to our corner potatoes. Another growth spurt since yesterday. It's getting to the point now where the leafage will be covering all the ground. Oh, that's good to know. Little plant there, close to the side of the grass. Next one I pass the lawnmower. Okay, how's our pea plant doing? Wow. So those peas that were coming in yesterday, look at that. Wow. I'm going to have to start picking peas soon. as soon as the pods start to fill. Yeah, oh. I think that one might be the first one. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Ooh. Okay. Potatoes still super healthy. Just amazing. Well, I only grew the peas in the other bed last year. So, I didn't can any of those. I just ate them as they grew in. I just wasn't getting enough. But now with three batches there, we have to do something. Well, our onions are just doing fine, and our bolted kale plant is yet to produce seeds yet. And how's that other kale I planted? Ah, finally. I just see it. Oh, what have I done? There we go. Right there. Finally. Okay. Onion bed's just doing fantastic. Alright, let's look at her. Carrots and zucchini. Now, I really need to trim down this dill. And how did these do? I spiked these back yesterday, and they've grown past them. Yeah. Very good. All right. And what do we have here? Wow, just growing. Okay. I have this vine here. Good. Just make sure he climbs up this netting. Oh, peas. I thought I had you tied back good yesterday. Eh? But no. No, you're insistent on being difficult. There we go. Okay, at least this one's grabbing on. Yep, just a lot of beautiful growth going on here. It's outstanding. You can see your peas still coming in on this one. Well, grand success. Oh, you know what? We didn't even look at the beans. Let's go look at the beans. Okay. As I scratch my hand because a mosquito bit me. Okay, well, even the one here that had this issue seems to have recovered. I think this might have been from my baking soda. Okay, it looks like the beans that are going to grow are going to grow. Oh, there's even one that come up there. Where is he? Can I see him? There he is, yes, right there. Right in the center of the picture. Just coming up through the soil. Wait, is that another one right next to him? It is too. Okay. Okay, that's the bean report. Okay, let's go make our way to the front. and see how our plants are doing up front. See if they have survived. The one little bunny rabbit I've seen running around in the front yards. Oh boy, here we go. This is what happens with this plant. You see these? These will grow right out. Shoot out as the plant tries to propagate itself to land a few inches away from itself and then grow again. Lavender, weed, okay, our sunflower still growing. The near dead coming back. The two squashes here are still growing. And are you a squash? Oh my goodness, I have a squash growing right out of that flower plant. That's 3. This is 4. Wow. Are these ever gonna bloom? Very soon. Here's our other sunflower. Finally, another squash has appeared. And that other squash down there would have had a better chance if it started earlier. Well, these morning glories are doing what they're supposed to do, which is climb. And they're almost up at the string here for them to crawl along the side. But you gotta remember, if you look right here, this increase in height here from the flowers is all upon itself. There's nothing there. They're just gonna continue to do this. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, now I had a peek this morning, looked at the birdshit berry bush to see if I was coming out to pick berries this morning, but not yet. It's getting close, very close. Now they're red, but they're not ready, not yet. Very close. See, now I was just coming over, touching his berry, and then right here, this little fella comes out and started to grab me. Yeah, thorny buggers. But how else is the plant supposed to protect itself? Of course, it wants the birds to eat it so that it can propagate itself around the area. Ergo, why I call it the birdshit berry bush. All right, well, if you stuck out to the end, I really appreciate you being here. Please give us a like, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.